When planning your budget for living room interior design, think of the pieces that are reusable and last the most. So when it comes to designing your living room interior, it should be very sophisticated, and second thing is that it should be personal. Like, I love bohemian themed decor, so I'll be going with that only. What is bohemian? Bohemian is the perfect blend of eclectic fun and colorful decor. So namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. Let's dive into the DIYs for the video. And if you like my videos, then do consider subscribing the channel and hit the bell icon button so that you get notified with every new video, and do share your views in the comment section.
In the first DIY, we are going to make wall tapestry. So I had this hand-woven piece of sweater made by my mother. Now to decorate it, I am going to make some tassels of yarn, for which you need yarn, any flat cardboard piece and scissor. Now start wrapping the yarn around 20 times, and the thickness depends on your choice. Now tie a knot on one side of the wrapped yarn like I am doing. And cut the yarn on the other side. And in this way you can have so many tassels. Now I'm sticking the tassels using fabric glue, or you can stick it using thread and needle. Stitch it using thread and needle. I've made some pom-poms of same yarn and now going to stick them to form a V shape. You can keep any heavy thing over the pom-pom so that they get stuck properly. This is actually a dandiya or a wooden dowel. Now on this I am going to hang the tapestry using same green yarn. For this you have to simply tie 2-3 knots on the dandiya on both the sides, and it will be ready to get hung on the wall. This is a small bamboo box, and these two are going to hang on the wall as pot holders. I got them fixed on the wall using small nails. This is a small kettle, actually I bought from my hometown as a toy set, which has cups and plates and jug also. Look at the contrast of colors, they are just amazing. This is a small jug in which I have added some water and now added the bamboo leaf in it. Isn't it looking cute? Next is the dream catcher, for which I have used a placemat and painted it into 2 colors, golden and grey. Now I have taken yarn, one is of pink color and other one is white, and cut them into long strings. Now take one string and tie the knot on the placemat like I have done. Just repeat the process for all the strings. And at the center, I have stuck some mirrors and one small flower. It is ready to get hung on the wall. Now what I am doing, I am just cutting the strings to give a V shape at the bottom. On the floor, I have thrown a chunky boho carpet. Bought from local market for just rupees 500. Look at the tassels, they are giving a complete boho look. This is a candle holder which I'll be using as a plant holder, and to hang it I have used the yarn. This is the lamp you have seen in the Diwali decor video, and in this I have added a bottle having money plant in it. Aren't they looking aesthetically beautiful? This is actually a rat catcher, and the golden color cage attracted me a lot, so I have removed all the springs from it. Now, placing a small pot or kulhad filled with water and added some fresh flowers in it. This is a perfect sized tray which saves a lot of space and can accommodate all the decorative stuff. So placed a mason jar full of bamboo sticks. Now this elephant is actually a toy, and now I'm going to paint it white and going to place it inside the tray. Now, you have seen the ongoing trend of throwing comforter or blanket on sofa, and I too admire this trend a lot. So, I've thrown a shawl on the sofa and some cushions to serve the purpose. The blue color dream catcher got from Sarojini Nagar market. Now just enjoy the view from different angles of my sitting area in living room. So to decorate your living room, I would suggest some points. First, a bold rug is a great way to add a lot of pattern to a large and often overlooked area. Second, big dramatic pieces of art are this year's focal points. So you can add so many paintings. Third one, white walls and contemporary furniture give the room a clean and classic feel. Hope you liked the video, and please hit the like button if you want more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.